Hello everyone, my name is Pradyum, and are you facing errors while filing GSTR1 in myBillBook? Don't worry, in this video I'll explain you the common GST errors and show you how to fix them quickly and easily with step-by-step solutions. Okay, so this will help you file your GST returns smoothly without any issues. So firstly would be the invoice number format. So the invoice number format may be incorrect, which can cause error during filing the GST. The solution would be the invoice number should be maximum of 16 characters. So this is the sales invoice. In the settings, you can see the invoice number, the prefix and the sequence number. This should be maximum of 16 characters. It shouldn't cross more than 60. Okay, and the invoice, it should contain special character, only the hyphen and the /. Rest, none of the special characters are allowed. Just the hyphen and the / has been allowed. And if the invoice number has already been used, the same invoice number cannot be used again to file the GST. Next would be party GSTIN. So for the party GSTIN, so mostly the party GST would be incorrect, inactive, cancelled or blocked. So suppose I'm adding this and get details. So this is active GSTIN and the party details are also been updated. Okay, and if you're adding any wrong GSTIN, then it will surely say as invalid GST number. Okay, so you can check here, you can verify in the government portal before proceeding. So if the GST is active, inactive, incorrect. For incorrect, already you can see here like it shows invalid GSTIN. And make sure if you're adding GST number, every character should be in uppercase like the capital letters except numbers. And next would be the invalid HSN. So for the invalid HSN code, what you need to do is firstly go to the item, edit the item, go to the stock details. You can see here if the HSN code is invalid, you can definitely come and correct it over here. So what would be the HSN for the mustard oil? You can definitely add here. Incorrect or duplicate HSN code. So as I told you, if there is any incorrect or duplicate HSN code, you'll have to come and check and make it right away. Okay, and there should be 4, 6 and 8 digits of HSN code. And rules based off turnover are, if your annual turnover is above 5 crore, you should use 6 digit or 8 digit of HSN code. And if your annual turnover is less than 5 crore, then you should use 4 digits of HSN code. So here are some important points. If the HSN code starts with 99, it represents as service item. And for service item, the unit should be in others. And for product, the unit should not be in others. HSN code should not contain alphabetic or special character like comma, exclamatory mark, hyphen. And if multiple items have same HSN code, they may not merge automatically. You can definitely go into the Excel report or the JSON report and edit it. Next would be, if the same HSN code has different units, it may also cause an error. So with same HSN but different units, then it may definitely cause an error. And for example, if there are multiple items with same HSN, make sure they have the same HSN code and the same unit. And merge duplicate HSN entries and quantities. Correct the HSN code digit format. And for service item, update or remove them according to B2B or B2C classification. And you can definitely verify the HSN code. You can search in Google Chrome like HSN validator. You'll definitely get that option as well. And next would be place of supply missing in B2C. So place of supply, why it shows missing in B2C? The reason is if the party GST and everything is correct, but in the address, I'll show you. So if it's in the address, suppose here is Gujarat, but the state is Assam. This is the reason why you'll get an error in place of supply missing in B2C. So what you need to do is see if the address is correct, state is incorrect, then change the state, make it into the correct form. Okay, so I've made it in the Gujarat and save. That's all you'll have to do, and you are good to go with the GSTR1 filing report. Seamlessly you can file the GSTR. So by following all the steps, you will get the proper solution for GST filing. And if you still have any questions or doubt, you can call or chat with us at 7400417400. Our support team is available from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.